Not all gutter protection products are created equal, and over many, many years of working with gutters and gutter protection, we at Alt Seamless have decided to settle in on, and have been for many years, the Valor gutter protection system. The reason we chose Valor gutter protection is due to many issues. First and foremost, it's the materials that it's made of. Most gutters on a home are seamless, and most of those gutters are also made of aluminum. Aluminum is a great product for exterior applications. Therefore, the gutter protection system that we chose in Valor also is made of a very heavy gauged aluminum. So the product itself is comprised of a heavy gauge aluminum frame, and then also it's mechanically fastened to a perfectly meshed stainless steel mesh screen. A couple important things. First of all, aluminum is a great choice for the gutter protection because it won't flake, expand, contract, rot, twist, and like many of the other products will that are on the marketplace today. And the stainless steel product lasts a lifetime to filter the water. Importantly, with the steel mesh is a diameter of mesh that is fine-tuned for the perfect balance between accepting all the water that the gutter can handle, in addition to keeping all debris out of the gutter system. Those two products combined are a perfect integration into gutters on homes today. In addition to aluminum being the right building material for this product, it also offers a couple of other unique opportunities. First and foremost, if you look at the lower side of the Valor gutter guard protection, there's a series of raised louvers, which are structural louvers. These play a couple of key important roles in how this makes this gutter protection system perform well. First and foremost, it makes the product extremely rigid. So on especially large commercial jobs, long spans of gutter runs, this product will not bow whatsoever. It'll match the straightness of the gutter itself. More importantly though, the louvered system also creates a touch point onto the mesh. The touch point, to use an analogy, simply this: if you've ever washed a car or watered some plants and you have a hose that's leaky and you're holding it up in the air, that water will tend to want to adhere to your arm and run all the way down and drip off your elbow. Ironically enough, if you take your other hand with your finger and you touch where that water is, that water then will divert and it will follow the other part of your arm. That's simply called water adhesion. So what the louver system does, the structural system will compress and push on the screen. As the water flow hits that, it will actually pull or draw the water down into the gutter. The bottom line is the Valor gutter guard protection will handle as much water as your gutters can handle in almost any rain flow. The second part of the system is the patented mesh itself. This is a stainless steel, again, a high-performing product over a lifetime of use, but importantly, you'll see that this product has a patented S-weave with the mesh. What that actually does, if you imagine a race car going on a straightaway can get to a pretty heavy velocity. Water can do the same thing running down the valley of a home or what have you, but the minute that race car comes into an S-curve, it has to slow down to negotiate that and slow down that momentum. So the S-curve, raised S-curve on the system also helps to slow down the water, allowing for the louvers to do their job and to pull that water down into the gutter. Again, it's a perfect match of material and function. Not only is the patented S-weave design important for slowing water velocity down to allow it to enter the gutter, but it also plays a very critical role in keeping the debris out of the gutter and flowing properly. Most gutter guard systems that even use a microfiber like this will just be a flat surface. That flat surface, while it can accept water in a laboratory and in a home show, it may have a difficult time when it has any debris that's stacked on top of it. The patented Valor system allows the debris to sit proud or to sit above where the water is going. It separates the debris from the flow of water. So as water runs down and drops into the gutter, the debris will sit on top of the S-weaves. That also then allows water velocity to help to clean the gutter, the top of the gutter protection as well. So in many cases it can push that debris off of the gutters and off of the roof where it belongs, allowing you to stay off of the ladder where you belong. Proper water management is really predicated on many parts of a home. One of the most important parts of a home is its roof and the pitch of that roof to allow proper water flow as it rains or water is running down the roof. So it goes to show that it's probably important for a gutter protection system to also have the ability to follow that roof pitch. Well, unlike most gutter protection systems that will sit proud and flat into a gutter, this protection system can be custom fabricated and designed so that it can actually be used to match the pitch of the roof. That allows for proper water flow. So as you can see, with a roof pitch that runs this way. With the proper installation of the Valor system, we are allowed to follow that roof pitch, essentially extending the roof design all the way to the lip of the gutter. This allows the water to continue to flow at the velocity necessary to get into the gutter, and then again to push that debris that sits proud to the S-weave system. It's a critical part of our system, and it does require sort of a proprietary installation method. The installation method that we uses several key components. First and foremost, when you look at any roof, you can see under the shingle there is an aluminum piece that is up underneath the shingle that is called a drip edge. And that allows for water that just slowly drips off of the roof to find its way into the gutter. It simply guides the water into the gutter. So the drip edge is a critical component. The other important thing about gutter protection is that if a particular gutter protection product penetrates the roof or goes under the roof shingles, there can be some catastrophic events that can happen from that. First and foremost, you can create a problem called ice damming, where that seal is broken and ice can gather itself up and move back up into the roof. But more importantly, in many cases, that simply voids the roof warranty when that starter strip has been penetrated. So the gutter protection system through Valor, we have a proprietary way of installation. Where the drip edge comes out from underneath the roof, we integrate an additional accessory drip edge. This is the same profile as the drip edge that's found on the home, and then this drip edge has an extra component that mechanically fastens and accepts the back end of the gutter protection, thus allowing us to match virtually any roof pitch on any type of building material or any type of roof, allowing for that water flow to continue to go where it needs to be and the debris to be exited from the roof. Not only does the pitch of the roof play a critical role in water management, and the fact that we can integrate this Valor system at that particular pitch, what that also allows us to do is create a look and design of gutter protection, which many people don't think about. If you've driven by homes before that have had certain types of gutter protection, in many cases they're pretty much an eyesore, very unsightly, whether that be a hood system or other screen systems and things that protrude from the top of the gutter. With the Valor Gutter Guard protection system, because we can follow the pitch of the roof and it integrates seamlessly onto the gutter system, it has a very attractive look, and candidly can't even be seen in many cases from the street, especially when the gutter is elevated and people are looking up at it. The Valor Gutter Guard system is designed to give you the optimum performance in water management. And in addition, though, we know many people like to use their gutters for things other than just water management. For instance, hanging holiday lights and things. The Gutter Guard protection does have a, we call it holiday hook system, where you can hang lights conveniently from it. Also, in certain parts of the home, in certain parts of the country, in certain seasons, there's the possibility of freezing and ice and issues that can be caused from that. The melt-away system that can be integrated into the Valor gutter protection system is critical in many cases, especially as commercial applications are related. First and foremost, with a commercial application, if you have icy conditions or dangerous conditions on your property, that can expose you to potential lawsuits or slip and fall problems, things of that nature. The melt-away system is designed to eliminate those problems. Ice damming is a phenomenon where as a roof is draining and snow is melting and coming down, ice can build up at the end of the roof, and with improper ventilation in the attic, that ice can build up and work its way back up under the shingles. This can cause extensive damage to the roof structure itself, in addition to damage in many cases to the inside of the home as well. Through the melt-away system, we're able to eliminate and alleviate those problems by heating not only the Valor Gutter Guard protection to allow for proper water through the gutters and the downspouts, but we also have the opportunity then to heat partially up into the roof to allow water to flow correctly and eliminate that possibility of any ice damming or future problems. Unlike many other gutter protection companies, Alt Seamless prides itself on nearly 4 decades of professional water management, seamless gutter and gutter protection work. So it all starts with a proper inspection and a consultation. When we come out to a property, whether that be a residential or commercial property, we like to talk to the individual about where problem areas may be, where has ice built up, where is water flowing, are there any areas of the home that they're concerned with. In doing so, we are able to look at not only keeping debris out of gutters and keeping the gutters clean and keeping those individuals off ladders, but more importantly, we're helping them keep foundations protected, roofs protected, and the property and the value of the home protected in general. Due to the ability for us to consult with homeowners and have years and years of experience in proper water management, we're able to consult where water needs to go and how to protect all the critical parts of a home. At Alt Seamless, we feel that the proof's in the pudding, so to speak, and seeing is believing. doing. As you can see with our display, unlike many displays that you may run across at a home show or some kind of a garden show, where there's a small trickle of water that comes out of a pipe and runs its way down a roof profile, what we've designed here is an opportunity for you to see what a multiple inch per hour rainfall coming into a valley or another steep part of a roof looks like. And in this sense, as you can see, with this massive amount of water traveling down this roof profile, it doesn't even make it a quarter of the way past the gutter protection. As you can see, as this water travels down, you can see how the proper installation of the Valor system matches the pitch of the roof with the S design, slows the velocity of the water, and allows all of the water to enter the gutter and all of the debris to stay where it belongs, outside of the gutter. So what you're seeing here is our local Ohio distribution and fulfillment center. The product itself comes from Structure Corporate at one of two fulfillment centers, depending on where you live in the United States. There's one in Henderson, Nevada, which is out by Las Vegas, and all the product that you see here today, that comes from a town called Dahlonega, Georgia, which is just about 45 minutes north of Atlanta. The product comes in all completely powder coated and ready. We then move from this fulfillment center for the state of Ohio and a portion of Michigan. We move into a fabricating room in the other part of the building, where the product then is custom fabricated for each specific job site. So it's a complete custom fabrication, and precision manufacturing is the key to the success of the structure system for your home. Thanks for watching, and we hope that this information has been valuable to you. One recommendation that we give at Alt Seamless is, before you invest in anything for your home, gather all of the facts, and we hope today's video has been a good head start in doing so. If you have additional questions or feel that our services can benefit you, please feel free to call or visit our website.